Ephendula ngengozi eyenzeke eMgungundlovu neyabandakanya izimoto ezingama-35, uNgqongqoshe wezokuthutha uSindisiwe Chikunga uthe kusenziwa uphenyo. Uqinisekisile ukuthi besiphezulu isibalo sezimoto emigwaqeni yakuleli ngesikhathi samaholidi ephasika.
SANRAL recorded an average of 2,000 vehicles an hour passing through the toll gates. The highest volume of 2,287 vehicles an hour was recorded between 16,000 and 17,000 at Phumlani Plaza on the NY towards Limpopo. At the end of the Easter weekend on Monday, the 10th of April 2023, the highest traffic volume was recorded between 17 and 1800 hours when 3,244 vehicles were recorded passing through the Phumlani Plaza into Gauteng.
Baningi nabashayeli abahlawulisiwe.
30,934 traffic fines were issued. That is 30,934 traffic fines were issued. 430 vehicles were discontinued because of road unworthiness related issues.
Uchikunga uthi senyukile isibalo sabantu abahamba ngezinyawo ababe izisulu zalezi ngozi. Siphezulu kakhulu isibalo sabantu besilisa abashone ezingozini zomgwaqo kunabantu besifazane.